going to cook some cookies again. So first we need almond powder. Yeah, see, that looks good. Next we need the water. Okay, that's nice. Now we need 1 egg and some extra oatmeal. Now, what, Mama? Can you have a spoon? Do you already have a spoon there? Hey, why is knife is always falling down? Even fork. Okay, now we're going to mix all the ingredients until butter oatmeal. I'm trying to make this video fast because the butter is starting to melt. And we're going to mix all of it up. All of it solid. This butter is hard to crush. Crush it down. And then the cheese. So, Mama, what you going to find there?
The parchment paper.
So, guys, so Mama's trying to find the parchment paper. It's really hard. So, I'm not sure if we're going to make another video, but so we're going to make a next video that I will show you how the cookies will pop up. So we don't have other cookies left, so this is the only cookie that we can observe. So this is the only cookie that we can bake because the only thing we have in our house is cupcakes. Oh, what's that sound, Mama?
Oven.
Oh.
Now preheated.
Wow! Did you cook something great?
No, not yet. Just preheat the oven.
Okay. So now I just heat the oven. Well, I'm mixing the hard dough. Mama, come in the video. I need you to show our fans. I need your help to mix this. It's so hard.
It's so hard not to mix it.
Yeah. So Mama's mixing it, and it's really hard, guys, to mix.
It's really kind of sticky.
So tell where you bought that mix.
We bought this mix at Landers.
Yeah, that's the only market that we can observe. So now you can buy this mix and Landers on this kind of store. That's the only store that we can observe to open. So you buy this mix on Landers, or you can buy any mix on Landers on our video. See you later. Bye.